everyone, Christine here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a Saturday Morning Makes hosted by Jill Norwood. I'm going to leave her link down below for more information. I wanted to share with you a process tutorial using this You've Got Mail treat box die by mycreativetime and the You've Got Mail Add Ons stamp and die set. Super cute set. Now I've already cut out my box in 110-pound cardstock and all my layers in my pretty pattern paper. And I'm going to start scoring my box with my bone folder. And now I'll start gluing all of my layers onto the box. Now I cut out my flag 3 times because I wanted that extra thickness, but I'm going to glue 2 together first and make a mark to know where I can put my hole punch. I'm going to punch those 2 together, and then I'll glue it onto the 3rd piece and then use my hole punch to punch it through because I wasn't sure I was able to punch through 3 pieces of paper. And now I'm just dry fitting where I want to put my flag, and I'm going to make a little mark for my hole punch, and then I'll punch it through. And now I can take my brad and put it through my flag and through the box and secure it with my hole punch. And before I close my box, I wanted to add the top of my box first. So I'm just going to glue the flap to the inside of the box and secure it. And then here I forgot to fold down my score lines on my box, and I'm going to start assembling my box together. And now I'm going to glue the bottom of the box together, and here I forgot to add glue to the little flaps, but that's okay, it's still secure. And now I'm going to glue the latch together where the holes are. Glue that part up until the score line because the other half needs to be glued to the back of the box. And now I'm just going to dry fit my latch. I'm going to insert it into the hole and see where it kind of meets my box. And then I'm going to secure it with glue. Now I also cut out the heart lock 3 times because I wanted that extra thickness. And I'm going to stamp my sentiment, sending Merry Mail. I've actually stamped that 3 times. And I'm also going to use the squiggly cancel stamp. And what I'm going to do is just take a piece of paper, scrap piece of paper, stamp that onto that, and then remove it and re-stamp it because I wanted to get a second generation stamp. And I'm going to glue it back to the back of a piece of foam and then onto my back piece. And now I can add that to my box. Now I'm going to add this super cute rosette lace on either side of the lid. And then I realized later that it was a struggle to add the lock, but it's super cute lace, so it really needed it. And I'm going to add some lace to the bottom of the box all the way around. And when I get to the end, I overlap my lace and I add glue to the seam to kind of make it look like it's seamless. And I'm going to add, of course, my 4mm flat back pearls, which is one of my favorite things to do. And now I'm just going to add my ginger next to the sentiment. And now I'm just struggling with my heart locket, but I am able to get it on. And now I'm just adding these tiny little hearts to my mini envelopes. I have 2 pink and a white one. And now I'm just going to arrange them how I want them. And now I'm going to create a hinge, and this scrap piece of paper is about 1/2 of an inch by 1/4 of an inch, and I'm going to just score it in the middle. Now it doesn't need to be the exact size, you just want to be able to create a hinge so you can glue half to the bottom of the lid and the other half to the envelopes. So I'm going to add half of the hinge to the bottom of the box. And then I'm also going to add glue to the other half, as well as to the inside of the lid of the box. That way my envelopes can be held in place better. And I'll just hold that for a few seconds until it dries. And that's it. I thank you all so much for watching. Bye for now.